Welcome on sports fans, welcome back to this or that Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most entertaining and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates on the internet. Pegasus Hotel, I know, I'm not stay here, I now have a reservation. The Women's World Cup trophies here in Jamaica is doing a tour. REGGAE Girls qualified for consecutive World Cup berths, second World Cup in as many sittings, bro.
Play long through Van Zanten, and now this ball slipped in. It's Van Zanten again, a good first touch. The right-footed shot, it's in! Just coming into the game, converts in the 102nd minute on a split ball.
See if it's nice, no?
This is about the girls. I mean, obviously, we're going to go there and we're going to give it all. We're going to try to put the best team we can put out. And, you know, wherever we finish, that's just it. But one thing we know, we're going to show up and we're going to play hard and give it our best.
President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Mr. Michael Ricketts. Speak to me some more.